Director of Economic and Statistics Bedekni Saktharmung by Krak Shalo Progabobono Khlaijakha Salsani workshop Panda. Panda Umazakha Economic and Statistics Bedekni Director Suresh Chandra Das, the Additional Director Orup Kumar Chandra. Workshop Panda wa tabung ni jorawa nangkhukmani mani khunoirongni data te ketalkhe naitukjak mani khunoirongni statistical data naituk mungo tuye Khlaijakha kogla. A shalni workshop Panda wa bebagai kaiburichi Bedekni o jamarok manjak phaimani koktoma.
State level workshop on users of data and other stakeholders for review of existing statistical products and for identification new statistical products in Tripura. Today's program briefly we will discuss our director, additional director, A.K.
Today's workshop is targeted for আমরা যে সমস্ত ডাটা প্রডিউস করি and যারা আমাদের stakeholders মানে line departments and other users, the researcher, the academicians, we will discuss how we produce the data based on their data and what is the method of estimation, how the data are validated. After getting data from agriculture department, how we validate the data, how we cross-check the data, because we are producing some estimates on GDP or GSDP or also using in SDG or other important statistical indicators, also in the CPI also. But before using, we have to validate the data. And where we find some lacunas or in the validation process, we have to consult and discuss with the line departments to further upgrade and generate the better estimates. That is one of the target. Second target is what is the new areas we are to concentrate. We are recently identifying about 11 such studies and surveys where we need data gaps. We have to cover the data gaps. এখানে ইন্ডিয়ান স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্যাল ইনস্টিটিউট কলকাতার সাথে আমাদের অলমোস্ট রেডি। তো এটার পরে আরও এক্সপার্ট ওপিনিয়ন নিয়ে ওই ডাটা গ্যাপগুলি আমরা কালেক্ট করব এবং ওটা কম্পাইল করব এবং আমরা প্রডিউস করব ফর ভেরিয়াস প্ল্যানিং অ্যান্ড পলিসি ডিসিশনস। মূলত একটা হচ্ছে এক্সিস্টিং আর একটা হচ্ছে হোয়াট ইজ আপকামিং। দ্যাট ইজ দ্য two-way dimension. It is very important workshop and all the line departments who are supplying us as well as also supplying to Government of India to their line departments in the ministries. We have to see this data. There are some data gaps in there and we have to find out the solution how to cover these data gaps for the future planning. All line departments. There are about 40 directorates and all are mostly present and we will discuss one by one and what is our products and how. Because in GDP or SDG estimates, every department is more or less included. Without any department's support and coordination and cooperation, we cannot do anything with their formation. And also, after this workshop, we are very hopeful that some upgradation of the data quality will be emerged.
Thank you, sir. Sir, good name?
My name is A.K. Chandra, Additional Director. He is Suresh Chandra Das, Director, and he is our Joint Director, Chiranjeev Ghosh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.